Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we have completed with 21 blocks, isn't it, children? So, let's start with our new block, which is block 22, and the name of our block is physical changes. Okay, the first topic is also physical changes. What do you mean by physical change? Let's learn in the first topic. Okay, so please open your science content book, children, and turn to page number 136. Okay, 136, 136. Yes, so physical change, that means if you take any object and you change its shape or size, that is called physical change. Okay, for example, a glass. See, it is a glass. When it falls down, it breaks into pieces or there will be a crack in it. Okay, so there is a change in the shape, or you can say in the size or shape. Yes, so that is the physical change. And physical change also means that there is a change in the physical but no new object is formed. From glass it formed into pieces of glass, but no new object is formed, isn't it, children? If new object is formed, that is not physical change, that is a chemical change. Okay, so tearing the paper. Okay, so the paper has been torn, so there is a change, you can see it, the shape of the page has been changed, the size of the page has been changed, but there is no new object is formed here, isn't it? So that is the physical change. So we can say that a physical change is a change in the shape or size, but there is no new substance formed, no new object or new substance is formed, then that is called a physical change of the object. Okay, when you break the egg, the yolk present in it will come out, the break the egg, no new object is formed, object is not formed, what is inside it had just come out. Okay, no new object is formed. When you fold the paper, the shape of the paper has been changed, but nothing has formed, isn't it? Melting the ice also. When you take out the ice from the freezer and keep it outside, it becomes water. From ice to water. How does that ice formed? Because of the water. Water, when you kept in the freezer, it became ice, and when you keep the ice outside at the room temperature, it melts into water. So nothing has been changed, only water is changed, it is changing its state, isn't it, children? Chopping the wood, cutting the wood, that also you are getting the product wood only, no new object is formed, only thing is we are shaping it, isn't it? The shape has been changed but no new object is formed, so that is your physical change. In this way you can tell n number of examples, that is more number of examples. Sharpening your pencil, the pencil only is coming out when we are sharpening, no new object is formed, isn't it? When you grind your masalas at home, when mama will be grinding, you will get the powder of that masalas, not the new object. So all these, a physical change is nothing but when it changes its shape or size and a new object is not formed, then it is called as physical change. Okay, and this physical change can be reversible and irreversible. So reversible means when you get an object, it changes its shape or size and again we can make it into the original one, that is called your reversible. For example, the water. So water, when you keep it in the freezer, it becomes ice, and when you keep it outside, again it turns into water, which is the original one, first one. So that is reversible. The ice cream also, if you keep it outside, it melts, and again if you place it in the freezer, it freezes, it becomes ice cream. Yes, that is reversible. Chocolate, chocolate also, chocolate melts when it is out there, when you keep it back in the freezer, it is a chocolate, it becomes the solid chocolate, that is reversible. Okay, but irreversible, when you break the egg, the yolk comes out, can you keep the yolk again inside and do it as usual? No, right? So that is your irreversible change. Okay, irreversible physical change. Okay, not only that, tearing a paper. So when you tear a paper, can you again paste it? We can paste it, but it looks different, isn't it? So the original one, the original paper, you can't get it from the same pieces, isn't it? So that is irreversible physical changes. Okay, cutting your fruits, cutting the wood, burning the wood, these are the things which we cannot make the original one. That's why they are called as irreversible changes. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given some few keywords in your daily schedule. Learn them, write it in your classwork, and also underline in your content book. Okay, and if you find any other word difficult, you can include in your keywords. And I hope you have understood what is a physical change, what is reversible and irreversible physical changes. Yes, now let's see the question answers. What is a physical change? A change in which no new substance is formed is called a physical change. That's what we have learned. It may be reversible or irreversible. Okay, children. So write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your next question. Is it correct to say that all physical changes are reversible? Justify by giving answer. No. Just now we have learned that breaking the egg, tearing the paper, these we cannot make it into the original version, isn't it? So it is irreversible. So that's what you have to write. You can write any example. Breaking of glass, we can't do it the original one, isn't it? So that also you can include in this. Cutting the vegetables, squeezing the lemon. After squeeze, after making the lime juice, can you make again the lemon? No, right? So that is a difference. Okay, so write these answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 28, S1, physical changes. Okay, so in the next class we will learn changing the state of matter. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.